Apple is finally releasing iOS 17 to the public. Well, it's still in beta, but the public beta is finally here for those who don't want to wait for the official release that's coming later this fall. So the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for the beta by going to beta.apple.com/beta program. I'll leave the link in the description down below, but that's what you'll need to do to first register and sign up for the beta. Now, downloading betas could not be any easier these days. You just simply head into the settings app, and then under general, you'll go to the software update section, and then you'll toggle on the iOS 17 public beta option. And that's it. It's super simple. Now, what exactly are the first few features that you should try out as soon as the update installs? Well, one of my personal favorites is the new Standby feature. Standby turns your iPhone into an information hub when it's in a horizontal position connected to a charger. Ideally, if you have a MagSafe stand like this one, I'll try to leave a few links down in the description below if you don't have one, but Standby will then display the time, live activities, incoming notifications, and there are tons of widgets to choose from for a perfect little bedside info hub. Now, speaking of widgets, widgets you use on the lock screen and the home screen are now interactive. So you can do things like control a smart light or check off a reminder without opening the app. This is a new feature that I have not yet tested until right now. We're going to do this together, but it's mostly because I just keep forgetting to install iOS 17 on a second device, but NameDrop, which is a new AirDrop feature, will allow for users to quickly share contact information with a person nearby, and the phone app has customizable contact posters that lets you choose what people see when you call them. Okay, so apparently all you have to do is just bring the phone closer together, and oh, there it is. That is so cool. Okay, so it shared contact information of both people, and obviously it's the same person. That's me. So yeah, I mean, that works really, really well, and I am impressed. It was pretty simple. So that's NameDrop. It's just as easy as just doing this. Look, and that animation is so cool. It just works instantly. That's amazing. Anyways, yeah, NameDrop is a AirDrop feature. And one of my other favorite new features is live voicemail, which I am also blown away by whenever at work. Since I've been using the beta for a while, I've actually been really enjoying getting voicemails from people because I love seeing this feature in action. But what it does is it'll show the voicemail that someone is leaving right on your lock screen so that you can then pick it up if it's important. And so you'll get a call, you'll see the text, and then you just kind of decide right then and there, hey, I'm going to let this continue on to voicemail, not that important, or I'm going to pick it up because this is actually a call that I've been waiting for quite some time. I know a lot of you have also been clamoring about this feature for FaceTime, which is now supporting video messages that you can leave for those who might have missed your call. And you can also use FaceTime on your Apple TV to kind of include the entire family in that call. There are also a ton of other features that we will dive into that Apple didn't really mention at the keynote in a separate video. But for now, if you just downloaded iOS 17 public beta, these are the ones that you should check out. And then let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll hope to catch you around in the next video.